how to practice walking meditation. Follow me. When you start practice walking meditation, okay, I will give you suggestion how to practice walking meditation. So now I stand like this. Okay, I will move, go there and here, just within 5 meters. Of course, not over than that. If it's a long 10 meters, that's a long way. So if long way new practitioner, you will send out your thinking or wandering. Anytime thinking, wandering will appear again and again. You cannot focus and be mindful anymore. So when I start from this, put your hand like this for the new practitioner. If you are a professional one, you can put like this. You can put like this. That is professional one. But for the new practitioner, put your hand like this. Why? Why I give you suggestion like this? Because when you put your hand like this, when you walk, you cannot see your leg. See, can you see your leg? No. If you don't see your leg, you might be mindful and can get concentration easily. If you put your hand like this, as a new practitioner, you will see your leg. See your leg move. You cannot focus the way you walk peacefully. So put your hand like this. Now we start walking meditation. We will start, actually we have a 6 step, but I will give you suggestion just 3 steps. This for new practitioner. Then episode 2 will be 4, 5, and 6. I will give you suggestion later. Now, as a new practitioner, I will give you just 3rd step. We start from the second one, the first one, okay? Standing, standing, standing. You might observe and note 10 times or 20 times, depends on you. 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, depends on you. If you think that it would be convenient, if you would be able to get concentration, keep it. But I would like to note just 3 times, okay? Standing, standing, standing. Intending to walk, intending to walk, intending to walk. Move from right leg. We start from the right one, okay? Right leg. Standing, standing, standing. Intending to walk, intending to walk, intending to walk. Right goes thus, left goes thus, right goes thus, left goes thus, right goes thus, left goes thus. Last step, right goes thus. Standing, standing, standing. Intending to turn, intending to turn, intending to turn, turning, 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 turning 8 times. Then observe and notice. Standing, 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 intending to walk, intending to walk, intending to walk. Right goes thus, left goes thus, 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 right goes thus. Last step, left goes thus. Standing, 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 intending to turn, intending to turn, intending to turn, turning, 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 standing, standing, standing. This is first step. But one thing I would like to remind you for new practitioner, if you walk like this, right, goes, does, is the wrong one. See, right, go, does. No, actually, if you like to get more concentration, concentration or samadhi mean focus one thing one time. One thing one time, one thing one time, one thing one time. Then back to the left side. Left goes, does already. Then back to the right side. One thing one time. Is the way to get more concentration. Okay? Please be reminded like that. Be careful when you practice. Then will be the second step. Standing, 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 intending to walk, intending to walk, intending to walk, lifting, touching, lifting, touching, lifting, touching, lifting, touching, lifting, touching, lifting, touching. Last step, lifting, touching, standing, 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 intending to turn, intending to turn, intending to turn, turning, 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 standing, standing, standing. Now we practice together. Intending to walk, intending to walk, intending to walk. Lifting, touching, lifting, touching, lifting, touching, lifting, touching, lifting, touching, lifting, touching. Last step, lifting, touching, standing, standing, standing. Intending to turn, intending to turn, intending to turn. Turning, 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 turning. Standing, standing, standing. Intending to walk, intending to walk, intending to walk. Then will be the third step. Every step you will get more concentration because you'll be mindful in every step. Mindfulness in every step, okay? Lifting, moving, touching, 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 lifting, moving, touching. Last step, lifting, moving, touching, standing, standing, standing. Intending to turn, intending to turn, intending to turn. Turning, 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 turning. Standing, standing, standing. Intending to walk, intending to walk, intending to walk. Now we practice walking meditation in the third step together. Lifting, walk, moving, touching, lifting, moving, touching, lifting, moving, touching, lifting, lifting, moving, touching, lifting, moving, touching, lifting, moving, touching, lifting, moving, touching. Last step. Lifting, moving, touching, standing, 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 intending to turn, intending to turn, intending to turn, turning, 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 standing, 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 intending to sit, intending to sit, intending to sit. Then you back to practice sitting meditation. So remember that there are two kinds of meditation: formal, informal. Formal, you can practice meditation, sitting meditation, walking meditation, standing meditation. But depends on the way you would like to practice. But actually, at the beginning, we should practice walking meditation in order to warm sati, samadhi, panya. Especially in the afternoon session, we will start by walking meditation. So after that, followed by sitting or standing, depends on you. This is the way I would like to give you a suggestion. I do hope that as a new practitioner, you might be able to follow the way I show how to practice walking, sitting, standing meditation continuously. And thank you very much for your kind attention.